Welcome, here I've got the VIVO X51 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. In this device and this camera app, the leveler is only available in the Pro mode, so let's use this settings bar and go to the right to more to change it. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the Pro mode. And here we are. Don't be scared about all of these settings. You can use this also on the auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's have a look at this button at the center here. By just one tap we can turn on the camera leveler and another tap to turn it off. When we have this turn it on, as you can see, we have this line here, and this is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how it works. And to go back from the Pro mode to the standard photo mode, let's just simply tap on this X letter here, and here we are again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.